Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect our Rytr with Zapier for AI script generation step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Rytr website. Log into your Rytr account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Next, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account or create a new account if you don't have one. After logging in, click on the Make a Zap button in the upper right corner. In the Choose a Trigger App section, search for the app you want to connect with our Rytr. Select the app and set up the trigger event as per your requirements. Follow the prompts to test the trigger and ensure it's working correctly. Now, in the Choose Action App section, search for our Rytr. Select our Rytr from the list of available apps. Choose the action event you want to perform with our Rytr. Follow the instructions to connect your Rytr account to Zapier. You will be asked to provide our Rytr API credentials. Once connected, set up the specific action details in Zapier. Map the data from your trigger app to the fields in our Rytr. Review your Zap to ensure all details are correct. When everything looks good, click on the Turn on Zap button. To test your newly created Zap, go back to your trigger app and initiate the action. Check our Rytr to confirm that the script was generated as expected. Your Zap is now active, and our Rytr is successfully connected for AI script generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.